What is up, guys? This is Andrew with My Watch Addiction, back to take a look at another Boldr Supply Company watch. Now, in full disclosure, I received this watch in the same shipment that the two Boldr GMT Globetrotters came in that you guys saw last week on the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at a Boldr Venture, the jet black field watch that they just released and is all over their website. Before we do that, guys, though, if you have not seen my videos before, definitely go ahead and smash that subscribe button down in the right-hand corner of the screen. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, ding that bell if you want to be notified of any videos in the future. But anyway, guys, let's tear into this. Obviously, because I'm taking a look at another Boldr Supply Company watch, yes, I'm still wearing that Boldr Expedition with that full face loom, Boldr Expedition, that I received as a part of their Kickstarter campaign. But tearing into this watch just a little bit, get this guy open. Now, guys, I will forewarn you, this is going to be a really quick video just to jump into this watch and let you guys see it real quick. Last week was a little bit longer of a video. So, as you saw with the Boldr Globetrotters, they come with that Tough Enough sticker from Boldr Supply Company. And this guy came very similar to the Boldr Expedition that I'm wearing. This guy came in a field pouch, leather Boldr Supply Company patch right there, as well as the leather tie. We open this guy up and take a look and see what we have inside. Now, this pouch could be used for a number of different watches if you are traveling. But here inside is their card, as well as the batch code, serial number, warranty information for this Boldr Venture. Now, this is what we're taking a look at, though. This is the jet black Boldr Venture titanium field watch. Guys, if you give me just a second to get the protection stickers off of this and zoom in, we'll take a closer look. Guys, this is Boldr's modern take on a classic field watch. This field watch is made with aerospace grade titanium, so this guy is light as all get out but tough as nails. Matter of fact, one thing that I've never seen on a watch before, this watch comes with a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty on this Boldr Venture. I've never seen a watch company do that before, so I personally think that is pretty interesting. Means, to me anyway, they have some faith in their build on this field watch. Now, you guys can take a look. This is a smaller watch. This case size is 38 millimeters, and of course, it's rocking that black DLC coating to give that jet black appearance with that flat black dial. This guy, if we flip it over, comes on a canvas NATO strap. If we pull this guy aside a little bit, mainly because I want to see this. I saw some pictures of this before, but I want to see it in person. Boldr always has such interesting engravings on their caseback. So that's what's coming on this Venture. Now, this Boldr Venture is running a Swiss-made quartz, an ETA 802.102 Swiss-made quartz movement in it. You can see that click versus the sweep of an automatic like you saw on those Globetrotters. This guy has a water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. Incidentally, that Swiss-made quartz, that ETA 802.102, is boasting roughly a 36-month battery life on this. And obviously, I would think, I haven't read the fine print, but I would think a dead battery is not means for filing a warranty replacement on this. The dial, again, like I mentioned, is flat black, but it does feature printed indices with superlume. And then those custom hands have superlume on them as well. So if you stick around towards the end of the video, you'll see that lume charged and what the low light visibility on this field watch looks like. Now, I mentioned this is only 38 millimeters in diameter, but what I think is nuts about it is that case thickness. 11 millimeter case thickness and a 22 millimeter lug on this classic field watch. Lug to lug, we're looking at about 45 millimeters. Now, the one thing that I think is cool about this, guys, though, is for a very basic field watch that is built to take a beating and just built as an everyday wear, $146, $146.99. I'm sorry, $49, excluding tax. That's directly from Boldr Supply Company. Guys, I'm going to post up a link in the description section below to this watch on Boldr Supply's website. Also, this watch, guys, is a part of that watch tour that those Boldr GMT Globetrotters were partaking in. So this watch itself as well will be heading over to Scott over at Watches Galore. Post up a link to his channel in the description section below. Guys, I'm going to get out of here, but I just wanted to take a real quick look at this Boldr Jet Black Venture with you. Guys, if you want to see this watch on my wrist or any other watch on a daily basis, don't forget to follow us on Instagram /watchaddiction.us. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Post up in the comments section below. Let me know what you think of this Boldr Jet Black Venture. If it's something that you guys thinks is cool. Quite honestly, I just can't get over how light this watch is with that titanium case. I think that's really, really cool. I think for me personally, it's a little bit on the small side, but you know what? To each his own. Guys, post up in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Anyway, guys, I am out of here. Have a great week, and we will see you soon.